back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, my name is Bernice, in Spanish Berenice, but you can call me Bere because we're friends here. We're friends. Today is Thanksgiving and I actually have work. And no, I'm not leaving early. I have to work the full hours I'm required to work. And honestly, I'm not mad about it because I'm Hispanic. You already know, Hispanics party for a long ass time. So by the time I get home, I bet you people are still gonna be up in here. My mom started cooking last night while I was at work. I got 2 new parrots, and me and one of these parrots got beef. Because every time I try to record, literally, all day, every morning. But anyway, my mom started cooking last night a few things like ribs, turkey, whatever. So today, this morning, I'm going to make coquito and I'm going to make my famous empanadas. Turkey, ground turkey. We don't do the ground beef anymore. It's ground turkey. Literally, this is her all day. Let me show y'all what I got. I already had a few things, so I didn't need to buy much, but I got ground cinnamon, coconut milk, coconut cream, tomato sauce, evaporated milk, condensed milk, and then was it wet? I don't know. Bacardi. You can use Hennessy or any other type of rum, but I use Bacardi, the regular one. And then obviously ground turkey, so that's what we're gonna do right now. How can I forget the empanada disc? First of all, I always use the frying, but lately I've been using the baking one because it's so much better. It tastes better even fried. So get into it. First things first, we're gonna wash the ground turkey with a little bit of vinegar, a little bit of water, and then you mix and then you rinse. We don't put a whole lot of water because it's ground turkey. Okay, so now that I did that, right, wash our hands. Red pepper and green pepper. I don't have any orange or yellow, like I use all 4. And garlic and onions. And we're gonna make some more sofrito because this is not enough. My NutriBullet, this cup we use for, you know, seasonings. I'm gonna just put everything in there, a little bit of water, blend, and then I can put it in the ground turkey. Also onto this I add 2 packets because we're cooking 3 pounds worth of ground turkey, so it's gonna be a lot. And plus we're gonna be adding water, so it's gonna be a little bit watered down anyways. We want that extra pizzazz. So then I just added the rest, so it'll look like this, and then you just blend. This is what it looks like blended. And I just added a little bit of water. Okay, so right now what I'm doing is I have this old well, it's not old, but I had coquito in here and this other Bacardi bottle, and I'm going to clean it out and obviously put the fresh coquito in here. How it looks now. I'm gonna still let it cook some more because we don't do that food poisoning, okay? We don't do that salmonella or whatever you want to call it. We let it cook for a good while. Okay. Add the rest of the sofrito. This is how it looks. Okay, my cord literally isn't long enough, so I'm going to do it on top of my washing machine. You can do this blender only, or you can do it heating it up on the stove and all that extra, but I'm lazy, so we're gonna do it using the blender. So we're gonna add the milk, coconut milk, coconut cream, condensed milk. It's gonna add the whole thing. Literally a whole lot of sugar you guys been drinking. We're gonna add some vanilla. Literally, I don't measure it. That's good. We're gonna add nutmeg. Okay. Now I'm gonna add some cinnamon. And then we're going to add some Bacardi. Oh shit, y'all didn't see that. My family are alcoholics, so this is what it's gonna be. Okay guys, and this is how it looks. You just gotta let it chill in the fridge for a good 2 hours, and then it'll be ready to go to drink. So we got this, and we're just gonna put it on top and pour. Ooh. Literally, we have more left. This is that. Here's the coquito. We're about to put it in the fridge to let it chill. I got a new watch, a new fitness watch. It was literally my niece's, but she told me last night, and I thought she was kidding until my dad told me just now. She don't want it. She don't want it because it's not for kids. It don't have no games. It's literally a fitness watch. So it's mine now. It's mine. She gave it to me. I didn't just take it. But we're about to start on the empanadas. I know some people roll out their empanadas, the dough, but I leave it how it is, honestly. So here's the empanadas. I still got more frying. And then we have turkey in the oven. We got the rice and we got the ribs that my mom made. That's ready already. Like, we just gotta heat it up, basically. But I'm still making more empanadas. And prepping it for my mom so she could fry it later. These are for Pookie. His fat ass. Yeah. Hello, mis amores. So I'm at work. It's actually like hours later. And I'm so freaking tired. Like, I catch myself like about to go to sleep. I'm on my lunch break though. It's about to be over in like 5 minutes. I'm so tired, bro. Oh my god, I forgot I had mascara on. Let me show you my outfit though. That's my outfit. Real comfy. Real comfy, real tired. It's giving very much sleepy girl, which I am. Hello, mis amores. It's mad noise, hold on. It's the next day, afternoon. Honestly, when I left work, first of all, there was a lot of things going on at work. But when I got, home, I went to my uncle's house real quick to say hi to the peoples and then go to my crib and sleep or whatever. First of all, the party was still going on, like I said. And it was 1 o'clock. Like 1:30 in the morning, actually. 1:30 in the morning. That shit ended at 2:30. Around that time. I was sleeping almost all day. Like, I'm just tired. Well, I was tired. Now I'm getting ready for work. I have on all gray. I'm gonna show y'all in a bit. But I'm kind of in a rush. This girl be going off in the background. Shit, I can't even make a video. I hope everybody enjoy their time with their family, eat some good food. I ate my pastelitos, my empanadas. I ate what did I eat? I ate ribs, rice. I ate turkey made the right way. I don't like turkey that tastes like turkey. I like turkey that tastes like chicken. Made by my mom. I see why they be hating on her. But yeah. And now I'm just rushing to go to work. Because I don't know why I'm rushing. I was up. We're back again on our break. I got hiccups. I just ate some arroz, rice, with some costillas, ribs, and a little bit of turkey. So it's a little bit of everything. And I have empanadas that I'm not going to eat. So I just might give it to one of my coworkers. Why do I sound like this? With the all gray, green orange, with a dash of pink, with a dash of black. We love that. I'm bored. I should have took a nap, like a quick nap, but I slept almost all day, so why? And my shift is almost over. It's Friday, tomorrow's Saturday. What are we doing tomorrow? We don't know. We just go with the wind. Now, if you want to make plans with me, it gotta be scheduled, because I'm not going with the wind with that. I'm just saying. Good morning, mis amores. So, I'm watching Alofo. But yesterday, I didn't feel like recording, but I ended up rearranging my room. And let me show y'all. This is all my gym clothes, and then up here is like the little sleepwear stuff that I have. Yeah. Don't mind that sock. Don't mind that. But yeah. And then my roof, bro. One day it rained so hard that, you know, that happened. But we're gonna ignore that. We're just gonna focus on the room. Super cutesy.
Got what you wanted. And I don't want my children repeating my mistakes. And if your career had taken off, then you wouldn't consider them mistakes. And maybe I'm just more talented than me. Believe me.
And so, as usual, we're not running late, but we're rushing to get ready for work. And yeah, this is my fit. Brown. I got the, because I didn't feel like wearing leggings. I wanted something, I don't know if it makes sense. Algo que, you know, cover everything. But then we got the Gymshark and then the Nikes. I'm at work. I'm tired as hell. I'm hungry as hell too. I haven't eaten anything since 12? No, I'm lying. Since like 10 a.m. Not me fake fasting. I'm not even fasting. My favorite candle. It smells so good. I love citrus scents.
No, ni dieta ni ejercicio.
It's currently, I think, 12 o'clock. I just have been up since 6 in the morning. Usually I wake up around 5, anytime between 5 and 6. So I've been up ever since. Just chilling, journaling, watching YouTube videos, just really enjoying my solitude, which I love to do. Y'all should try that. Y'all should try it. I'm about to go eat something real quick. Maybe it's some spaghetti. I have clothes that I'm going to donate because, like I said, I talked briefly about it, honestly. Like, I rearranged my whole room. Y'all seen how it is now, right? And I have a few pieces and coats or whatever that I don't want. So I'm going to donate it to the homeless. Usually, I would donate it to family, but they don't really need it that bad. The homeless do. So that's what I'm going to start doing more. I honestly don't have much clothes to give because over the past 2-3 years I wiped out everything that I had. Like, when I say wipe, I mean white. When I do look for like clothes to go out and everything, it's mainly gym clothes that I have. That's so bad. I have a few dresses and like tops, but those are mostly for like summer and spring. I don't really have. That's bad. That's so bad. But seriously, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna organize everything because I don't think I folded them. I'm gonna look through everything just to make sure, you know, they're appropriate for, you know, yeah. So we got the salami con plátano frito. Okay, so they are folded. I just have to bring them over there. Okay, so I'm ready for work. I feel like I want to add more things to the bag, like brand new stuff. So I just might leave it here and then bring it tomorrow to the donation. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, but we're ready for work and we're about to order the Uber. I haven't driven for like a good week or so. What is wrong? Well, I'm lying for a few days.
See the killers and dealers around me, but I grew up with gorillas, you know how the wild be. Grew up in the ghetto, destined for a celly. I would hustle heavy, trying to be a legendary, but I got a on Sherry, Julio, Don Perry, Pricey, boss lady. I'll give you old school loving like we in the 80s. I know your friends hate me, but they just wanna love me. I'll put you over money, high when we sober and we higher than a sauna. I'm a slam in the silver car, we die for the closure. I mean, us against the world, us against the ghetto, us against the police, us against this hoe. I'ma let you go, baby, can't you tell? I ain't hit another song, I ain't bought another show. She looking finer than a cute coat. I'm the CEO, sure you wanna see me blow.
Hello, beautiful people. I look crazy, but yet again, we are rushing to go to work. This is what I'm wearing right now, but I'm going to wear my pink Gymshark sweats. I'm gonna wear my New Balance sneakers. Honestly, again, I need to buy more shoes because I can't keep rotating the same shoe. Like, I be running out of like options. I don't know if that makes any sense, but yeah, this is what I'm wearing right now. And then I'm gonna do a quick little touch up and then wear this headband. Okay guys, and this is what I'm wearing. Ow! Fuck. And then yeah, let me go. I'm rushing. I literally have like 15 minutes before I'm late, so let me go. Hello mis amores, it's the next day, the next morning, and I'm thinking of closing my video out here because honestly we gotta do the next vlog. And I just want to say thank you so much for everyone that's been supporting me so far, been watching my videos so far. I need to really be consistent, so that's what my main goal is right now, to be more consistent in posting. But let's get into the winner of the giveaway, which is Yasmin. Yeah! When I post a giveaway, I'm being so for real. I'm not going to flop. I'm going to deliver. The question in my video was, what gym am I going to? And she got the question correct. Oh, my iPad died. So I'm gonna have to do it on my phone when I finish recording. But the giveaway was $50. Then I'm like, nah, let me not do $50. Let me do $50 and some Gymshark. But then I'm like, okay, let me scratch that and let me do Gymshark and something from Sephora. So that's what we're going to do, and hopefully you guys enter my next giveaway when I announce it. Don't miss out. I'm being so for real. Like, comment, subscribe, everything, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye mis amores, amor y paz.